What do you really need to launch and grow your business? Entrepreneurship is exciting, but let's be honest, it's also overwhelming. There's so much to figure out, so many moving pieces. It's hard a lot of times to know where to start. That's why we created the Better Story Marketing Brand Packs. Brand Packs give you everything you need to get found, get booked, and get paid. It's not a course, it's not some checklist you've got to do. It's all the strategy, content, and technology that you need done for you, ready to use, but still fully customizable. Here's what's inside. You get marketing strategy, campaigns, calendars, customer journeys. You get marketing content, a full year's worth of emails, a year's worth of social media, websites, funnels, and sales sequence. And you get marketing technology, booking, billing, automations, proposals, so much more, all at 90% less than an agency would charge. So if you're ready to stop spinning your wheels and start growing your business, find your brand pack today so you can get found, you can get booked, and you can get paid.